So you uploaded your video to YouTube and you're all excited. Maybe you started to get a couple hundred views, maybe even a couple thousand views. And then all of a sudden, 2 days later, you check in your analytics and crickets, right? It just stopped. And you're wondering what the heck happened? Was it me? Was I shadow banned? Why isn't YouTube showing my video to more people? Well, I'm here to tell you, first of all, that it happens to everybody, especially if you're a new channel and you just started uploading videos. This is common. This will happen. Don't worry about it. Because in today's video, I'm going to explain to you why your videos suddenly drop after 48 hours. And I'm also going to share with you how you can fix it. So first you need to know why this happens, right? What's going on? Well, YouTube is very, very smart, and they have AI that crawls all over the place, reads your thumbnails, read your titles, read your videos. So the second you upload your video, YouTube knows where that video is going to go. They know who they're going to show it to. And what they do to brand new videos is they do an algorithm test. They're going to show your video to a sample group. That's going to be a sample group of your existing subscribers. And then they're going to show it to people who are not your subscribers. And what they're trying to find out is, making sure I don't get hit by a car here. And what they're trying to find out is, do people like this video? Do they want to keep watching it? Okay. And that test audience, if they're not getting a good response from the test audience, people aren't clicking, they aren't watching, well then guess what? They're not going to show it to as many people, and that's when you see it start to die off. So why does this happen? Well, what happens is it's a combination really of a couple things, and that's your thumbnail, your title, and your actual video. So first is click-through rate, and that's your thumbnail. If you do not have an engaging thumbnail, a thumbnail that creates curiosity, a thumbnail that gets people to click, well, guess what? Nobody's going to watch your video. And the reason they're not going to watch your video is because, well, they don't click and then read the title and go to your video. Well, let's say they do click on your thumbnail, like you did everything right with your thumbnail. It looks good, it grabs attention, it has curiosity, but then they go to the title and the title doesn't grab them. Maybe the title's not what they expected. Maybe, unintentionally your thumbnail said one thing and your title said another. So it's important that those flow together. So let's say everything's working, right? They click on the thumbnail, it caught their attention. They go to look at the title caught their attention. Yeah, I want more of this. So they actually go and they start watching the video. But within the first 30 seconds of the video, it's not what they thought it was, okay? It didn't grab their attention. It didn't keep them engaged. And that affects the average view duration, or the AVD. And that is really, really important on YouTube. YouTube is a business, and they want to keep people on the platform as long as possible. And if you can't keep people engaged with your videos, then guess what? They're going to take off. And this is one of the biggest things that I teach my coaching clients, and stuff that they ask me about all the time is how can I keep people engaged? And it's hard. It is tough for sure. And I tell them, first of all, you have to have the right idea for the video, okay? You have to start with a bang, and actually put together a really cool little training for them on how to pick winning titles, and I'll give it to you guys for free. If you want to grab that, click on the link below. So first and foremost, you got to have the right idea, and then you got to have the right thumbnail, the right title, and the right video. So how do we fix this? What do we do? So I want to give you guys a couple quick pointers here today that can hopefully help you get more views, keep the viewer engaged. So first is, like I said before, your thumbnail, your title, and your video, all three of those go together. Each one has to be perfect. Each one plays its own role or part in doing this, okay? So first, with the thumbnail, is your thumbnail has to be eye-catching. It has to be engaging. It has to create curiosity. Also, this is a big tip for you guys. You never want to repeat what's in the title in the thumbnail, or what's in the thumbnail in the title. That's a big no-no. Also, when you use text in your thumbnail, you want to make sure that you keep it to around 2 to 3 words. 4 words would be the absolute max I would go. And if you're the face of your channel, your face should be on your thumbnail, not some AI generated face, not some image that you got online. It should be you. No animation or anything like that. Make sure it is actually you on the thumbnail itself. And then use nice bold text, white with a black background or black with a white background. Whatever it is you use, make sure that it pops. And keep your thumbnails simple. They don't have to be all these crazy graphics and things like that. Keep it simple. And then next we have the title. So let's say you have a thumbnail, it's got 2 to 3 words. Like for example, for this video, let's say the thumbnail says, not getting views, okay? So not getting views, that's 3 words, and there's a picture of me. And then they go and they look at the title and it says something like, why your views suddenly drop after 48 hours, okay? Those match. So the thumbnail grab is curiosity. They're like, huh, I wanna learn more about this. They click, they look at my title. And then the title makes them wanna watch the video. And then in the video, within the first 30 seconds or so, I am telling them what the video is about and what they're gonna get. For example, I told you guys, I think I started with, oh, so your views are dropping after 2 days, you're mad, you're upset. Well, I'm gonna explain to you why this happens and how to fix it. I'm grabbing your attention right away. You know that what you clicked on, what the title is about, and what in the video is what you're gonna get. So you keep watching. I keep you watching my videos, keep you on the platform. I deliver. And it's crazy how many people just can't get this right. They think if they just have a really cool, flashy thumbnail, that's all they need. Or if they think that the title is exactly the same title somebody else used who got 1 million views, then they're gonna get 1 million views. That's not the case. And of course, you never wanna copy anybody. So there's a science to doing this, to creating the thumbnail, to then leading into the title, and then leading into the video, and actually having a video that people wanna watch all the way through. And you have to have all 3 of these components in order to be successful. It's really, really important. And if you're somebody who's, you're serious about YouTube and you want to learn about this method, how to grow your existing YouTube channel or a new YouTube channel, then definitely schedule a discovery call with me. I'm opening up a few this month. I would love to chat with you. I will put a link below in the description and you can click on that and apply and book your call today. So in a nutshell, getting more views and keeping your views from dropping off, suddenly disappearing, it's all about the packaging. It's not just about the video, filming the video. It's about the thumbnail. It's about the title. It's about the video. And above all, it's about the idea, right? You have to start with the right video idea, something that people actually care about, something that people actually want to learn, what they need. You can't sit back and say, oh, this is a really cool video, people are gonna love this. You have to see on YouTube, and it's real easy to go on YouTube and do research. Start typing in keywords around your niche. See what other videos are being created and look for videos that have a large view count to subscriber count ratio. Okay, so that's telling you that, wow, this video is popular. They've got a lot more views than they do subscribers. That's a that's a good sign right there and a good place to start. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that was helpful. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help out.